Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix TikTok shop not showing a problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So when you open up your TikTok app and you go back to your home section, and when you're trying to go to your profile and locate a TikTok shop option, and if you're not being able to find that it's probably because TikTok has allowed the TikTok shop does not allow in your particular reasons. What you have to do is, first thing is simply gonna go to any of your browser and search the TikTok shop available reasons and look if your country is listed over there or not. If it's not, and if it is listed and you still cannot access the option, then you're gonna go to your app store and you're gonna go to search bar over here and type in TikTok, and go ahead, tap on your app itself and update it. Because when you don't update your app, that can be sometimes be the reason you might not be able to have the new updates or the features access on your account. So once you have updated your app, you can go ahead, open it up. You might be able to check it out. If you still cannot, what you can do is you can simply go ahead, go to the TikTok support, write them a report as well. That's what you can do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.